Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about two cleansers that my dermatologist recommended to me for daily use. Dermatologists suggest that most of the cleansers that we use on a regular basis are so harsh for the skin because they strip off the natural oils of the skin and disrupt the skin's barrier. Basically, they take away more from the skin than what they give to the skin. That's why I've switched to Cerave cleansers. They are designed by dermatologists and also recommended by them. They are perfect for daily use and are also so gentle on the skin. So depending upon your skin type and the season of the year, you can pick any of these cleansers. The first one is Cerave Hydrating Cleanser. Now this is meant for normal to dry skin. It's got this cloudy, creamy texture which feels very gentle and hydrating on the skin. It is enriched with 3 essential ceramides that protect and restore the skin's natural barrier. It's also got hyaluronic acid which hydrates the skin while cleaning it and prevents the skin from becoming dry. It's got this MVE delivery technology which continuously supplies the skin with a steady amount of nourishment. Basically, this gives to the skin more than what it takes. It's also non-comedogenic, so it does not clog the pores, it does not cause any acne, and it's perfect if you have dry skin, sensitive skin or irritated skin. I feel like this is best suited for the winter season and also for the ongoing monsoon when your skin type just keeps on changing continuously and becomes very sensitive. I think this is the best cleanser for these two seasons. The second cleanser that I have is Cerave Foaming Cleanser. Now this is best suited for normal to oily skin, and even if you have acne prone skin, this is going to work really well for you. It has a gel-like consistency and it foams up just the right amount without too much rubbing. It is enriched with niacinamide which helps to control excessive oiliness and also soothes the skin, and it's got hyaluronic acid which hydrates the skin while cleaning it. It also has 3 essential ceramides which protects the skin's barrier, ensuring that your skin does not become irritated or sensitive. It works really well for my skin, especially when I have active acne. I feel like it cleans my skin so well and gets rid of the acne fast without irritating my skin, without causing any redness or irritation on my skin. So I recommend this cleanser for the summer season and for people who have oily and acne prone skin. I think this is going to work really well for you. Both of these cleansers are also fragrance free, so they will not cause any kind of irritation on sensitive skin. They are perfect for daily use and are recommended by Dermats to be used daily in your AM as well as in your PM routine. Moreover, there are so many cleansing mistakes that we make on a daily basis which can harm our skin in the long run. So to clean your skin properly, you need to follow certain do's and don'ts which are recommended by dermatologists. Firstly, never use a cleanser directly on dry skin. You need to dampen your skin first and then apply the cleanser. A pea-sized amount is more than enough to clean your face as well as your neck. Gently massage the cleanser in circular motion and avoid too much rubbing and scrubbing as it can damage the skin barrier. Always use cold or room temperature water to rinse your skin. Never use hot water as it can dry out your skin. After rinsing, gently pat the skin dry and do not rub the skin as it may cause irritation. Always use a cleanser which gives and not just takes. So to cleanse like a derm, I recommend these Cerave cleansers. They are my absolute favorite. So if you're looking for a gentle dermat recommended cleanser for a daily basis, then check out these Cerave cleansers. You can use any of these depending upon your skin type. I've mentioned all the purchase links in the description box below. You can check that out. So that was my video on the best dermat recommended cleansers that you can use on a daily basis. I absolutely love them and I highly recommend you try them out. They are the best in the market right now and they are recommended by dermatologists. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried out these cleansers and how they work for you. Subscribe if you're new here. You can also follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.